missed the opportunity, and 2 or 3 opportunities were missed, and once a shot which was taken by your Chunu Bhati, but the goalkeeper collected the ball in the right time, and no excuse once again. Number 7 after Chunu Bhati. So Chunu Bhati entering the danger. Oh my God, offside. So free kick in favor of Balasur. AFC. Both the sides were playing very attacking football. They were playing very interesting and beautiful exhibition of the headers inside the ground. Once again, Balasur, Samal AFC running and crossing, keeping the ball under his control. Maybe the chance. No. The defender was enjoying him out. The defender was defending the area. Once again, counter attack, but no one was there to support him. So once again, number 10 of Samal. This is the attack from the side of Samal AFC of Balasur. So once again, Chunu Bhati defender, the midfielder, he never allows the forward line to enter into the danger zone to go for the scorings once again. Balasur FC, number 8 is there, number 13. The calculated risk was taken. The calculated risk, you will have to take the risk, otherwise you will never win this tournament. If you want, then you will go for your high voltage football tournament is proceeding under this belt. That is Pakistan, the Jump Back Stadium. All the crowds have been lighted. Because of the high voltage match in between the two sides, that is the Chunu Bhati and your Balasur FC Samal. Maybe that is the offside. Number 7 of the Chunu Bhati committed the mistake of the offside, so that's why there is the free kick. The free kick in favor of Samal FC Balasur. So Samal FC Balasur in nil, and your Chunu Bhati, the free two friends, Chunu Bhati Johnson nil, at the lone area that means there in the packet area, the ball was rolling here and there. No one was there to stop the ball, and finally Chunu Bhati number 2, keeping the ball under his control and supplying the ball. Maybe a chance for your Chunu Bhati. Maybe a chance. It was not happened once again. Charging down. Maybe the long whistle for your free kick. So free kick may be in favor of your Balasur FC. So Balasur FC nil, and the Chunu Bhati is also nil. I have already told you this is a high voltage match in between the two neighbors. দুই পড়োশী মধ্যে জবরদস্ত আক্রমণ আর প্রতি আক্রমণ। কৌশল গোটিয়ে মিনিট